Hey, what's up YouTube? So, it is the 2nd of July and my room is a giant mess. Look at this. What even is this? What have I done? Like, there's stuff everywhere and I've been too busy to sort it out. Basically, I've had a gig or rehearsal every single day for the last week. It's been nuts. I did record a vlog last weekend on Sunday. I went and did a radio show with Bex. It was the Russell Hill show, the country show on Express FM. But I haven't even had a chance to check over the footage, let alone edit it. It doesn't mean to say that I haven't got time in the day to do stuff, but I haven't got enough time to make any kind of real progress. This is the problem with having a full-time job, as well as trying to do YouTube, but also having a lot of musical stuff to do on the side, and trying to fit the gym in as well. So at 10:30 I'm meeting Aaron and Emily at the gym, so I'm having a slightly late breakfast, which is the time for toffee pudding, flavour whey. Today, going to a country park in New Forest with my nan and, well, the rest of my family, because it's my nan's birthday on Tuesday. So, see you in a bit. Alright, first exercise on the Vitruvian Physique's Ultimate Hypertrophy Program is the incline bench. Trying to figure out the logistics of this family day while we're all still in the gym. Alright, third exercise, lateral cable raises, as Aaron's doing right now. Alright, fourth exercise, cable flies, 4x12. We're using Igor's special little trick here, and using a plate weight to have an incremental weight, because they only go up in 5, so that's 2.5 on both sides. So yeah, last set. Aaron's going to film for me. He doesn't know it yet. Last exercise is tricep extensions. Right, we're done. We're gonna go home and get ready. See you in a minute. Eating a flapjack. It was tasty. Yes. Come, get. Damn it. Yes. Alright, I'm all geared up. We're going to the New Forest now. It's going to be a warm ride. I haven't even got a shirt on underneath this jacket, but it's going to be alright, I think. So now I'm going to switch cameras. I'll see you guys in the New Forest after a motovlog as well, because why not? Oh man, this is blissful. Woohoo! This is so good! So yeah, the plan for today, literally, been to the gym already, you already saw that. now I'm trying my hand at combining. I'm doing a Lex Griffin and combining a normal vlog with a motovlog. Going to the New Forest now. It's my nan's 80th birthday on Tuesday. She'll get her present then from me. But everyone else is doing all the celebrations and stuff today. The majority of this trip is going to be motorway, so I'm just going to see you when it's not motorway anymore, because I don't really want to have to shout over this crap. Alright, we're off the boring part. And actually this is the exact spot that I nearly ran into an entire herd of cows once. Oh, here we go. Here come the animals. I've got to be particularly careful here, because noisy bike, fast horses. I think the last time I came here was when I test rode the R1. Another cattle grid. Oh, hello, that was bumpy. So the reason we're coming to this particular location is because this is where my granddad's ashes were spread. Okay, this is stony. Here we go. This is where all the stones are at. Whoa, nearly. He makes disabled spaces in a forest. Technically I could go anywhere, but is there going to be space for me? Oh, that's Dad's car. I reckon I could park here. That'll be fine. Misty! Misty! Hello! Alright, we made it to the New Forest. It's pretty crowded here.
He just doesn't like that.
Hi, Mist. Hello. Hello. Shout. Shout. Hello. 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 Oh, you are messy already.
Yeah.
As I pointed out, in the New Forest there are animals everywhere, including right where we actually want to sit. My dad, everyone. We're just gonna chill out and cook some sausages and probably try to be horse whisperers while we're here, but you know, that's pretty much the deal. Hello! Jessie! Jessie! Haven't seen Jessie yet. Hello! There are now as many horses as there are people. Everyone's here, everyone's doing their barbecues, everyone's chilling in the shade, and I'm stood out here like a moron in the sun. Trying to burn myself.
No? No. Oh, bless. He's trying to roll up the tree. Sausage.
Alright, camera's overheating, so I'm going to put it away and enjoy the rest of the day with my family. So, see you guys at the show tonight. Alright, we are in Cowley for the festival, and it is nuts out here. We're just trying to find the stage right now.
Yeah, 4 minutes.
It's like
4
Iraq,
minutes away.
It is actually ridiculous how many people there are here.
We're playing there soon.
Oh, is that where we're playing?
O2 Academy.
That's what I know, but
we're playing there.
apparently we're playing there at some
Later.
point.
Psychedelic Furs, Newfound Glory, and us.
Never leave a man behind.
You go ahead, mate.
Apparently the last time the band played this as a unit without me here, they needed a police escort. This is freaking nuts.
Really, really, really think I'm gonna get stabbed.
Alright, we're done with the show. So I'm just going to pick up my shit and leave. That was fucking awful. So yeah, see you in a bit. Alright, it's midnight and I've made it home, obviously. That was not my favourite of gigs that I've ever done. Wasn't particularly very organised, good sounding. We had power cuts, the gear wasn't great, the space wasn't great, the crowd wasn't great. I could go on for ages, but either way, it wasn't my favourite show, but unfortunately you are going to have something like that every so often, so I'm just going to leave this here. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.